Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 22nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, I still think this is likely the end of a pullback right here. So I'm still looking at this as more likely just continuing down. I think it's going to go down and make new lows, especially based on like my weekly, monthly, daily time frame analysis. So I'm definitely still very, very bearish, and I'm definitely still looking for shorts and shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement from at the last end of a pullback on the 1 hour to the last swing low. I think this move up right here is very likely going to be a pullback to this move down. So I would be paying very, very close attention to these fib levels. We already got one up, we already got one down. If we get another up to a fib level and then a soft turn to the downside, that's exactly what I would be looking for. The three-way pullbacks to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. Like I keep saying, if this really is the end of a wave C over here, then on the 4 hour time frame, it will continue to make lower lows, lower highs. And on the 4 hour time frame, it will go down and make new lows. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.